Civil authorities in California, Oregon and Washington have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following counties: State of California, State of Oregon, State of Washington, State of Idaho, State of Montana, State of Nevada, State of Arizona, effective until April 19, 2026. This replaces the previous alert for April 14 at an unknown specified time. This is not a test. Several unknown entities have been attacking the Pacific West Coast. However, their efforts have significantly increased as they have now become more resilient and intelligent. They have taken the lives of 368 people across all states affected. This is an extremely life-threatening situation. San Francisco, Los Angeles, Portland and Seattle have been put on a tighter lockdown. Soldiers there have been given shoot-to-kill instructions on anybody regardless on who they actually are, and you can no longer request special entry into these cities. Boise, Billings, Phoenix, Las Vegas and Reno have also been put on lockdown due to the escalating situation. Civil authorities advise the public to shelter in place now. Close and lock all windows and blinds, and if possible, turn off all lights around your house at around 8 p.m. If you are outside, go to the nearest shelter or bunker immediately. If you encounter these entities, do not fight back. I repeat, do not fight back, as hand-to-hand combat against these entities now prove ineffective, so the best course of action is to run. If you have a bladed weapon such as a knife, machete or box cutter or a firearm, use it when absolutely necessary. I repeat, use it when absolutely necessary. This concludes this shelter-in-place warning.